In this video, let's discuss about the set in Python. At first, just see the simple definition of the set. A set in Python is a collection of unique elements. We have already discussed about the list and also the tuple. Inside the list, we can change or modify the value, and also we can add or remove the value in the list. Likewise, in tuple, we cannot change or modify the tuple, right? But in the set, we need unique element. We need a collection of element that must be unique. Let's see one example. If I put a equal to 1, 2, 3, this is correct because 1, 2, 3 are unique elements. Likewise, if I put 1, 2, 3, comma 3, this is incorrect example of this set because here 3 is repeated. So these are the some example. We'll discuss it later in details. After that, some features are very important in set. First one is the on order. It means we cannot extract the exact position of that list like in list, right? So in the set we cannot extract exact position. And the next one is the unique element. It means we cannot put the same element. And mutable means we can add or we can remove the items from the set, but this is unchangeable. Why? Because we cannot modify the items in the set. And last one is the no indexing. It means we cannot access the exact index of that element. So if you see here, here is the 1, 2, 3, and let's consider that 1 is in the 0th position, 2 is in the second first position, and the 3 is in the second position. But exactly these items are not in any position. These items are in random position, right? So we'll discuss and we'll see this some practical examples in the python. Let's dive into the python. Now you can see I have opened my python. So if you are new, first we have already set up our python in our system. So just set up the python in your system. After that, just create one folder and just open that folder from over here. So just create one folder in your location and then just from the open from here. And after that, just right click over here and just create one python file so that we can write python code. So I'm writing here this set, and this is the python file. So let's create one set at first, and then we'll see the different functions and other related term in this set. So if I put here a equal to, and to create the set we need to use the curly braces, or we can also use the double small braces. So likewise this is also another way to create this set. So after that, just put the curly braces, and if I put here 1, 2, 3, these are my this is the one of my set. And at first I just want to check this is my set or not. So just check through the type a dot, okay, print type of a. And if I just run this code by clicking here, or just right click over here and then run the code, and you can see here this is the class set. So this means this is my set. And after that, if I want to modify the value, it is not possible in set. So if I try it, then also it is not possible. If I want to put the 0th position into something else value, and if I run this code, obviously it will show the error because set object does not support item assignment. Yeah, this is not possible. Likewise, if I want to add some item into the list, then just use the a dot add. And if you want to add item as 4 or 5 or whatever be the item, and if I run this code, I will get here, okay, just print the value of a. And if I run this code, I will get 1, 2, 3, and 4 as the output. And also I would like to create the another variable also. And if I want to copy this some value from all the value from a into the b variable, then I can just type here b equal to a dot copy, and it will copy all the value from a into the b. And if I print b also over here, print b, and if I run this code, then I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And if I want to do more mathematical operations, just check over here. If I want to do the copy add, we have already seen here. And after that, let's see the difference. So I use the difference function. So it means let's make the different two variable. So these two variable are the same. So just change some value in the A or B. I'm gonna change some value into the B. Again, I will create another B, and then I will replace like two, okay, three, four, and then five. And if I want to find out the difference value between the A and B, then just put another variable C and just use B dot A or A dot B, A dot difference B. And if I print C over here, and if I check the result, what will be the output? So I got 1 and the 2. Why? Because in the A variable we have 1, 2 and 3, and the B variable we have 3, 4 and the 5. So difference means no common value. So 1 is no common, so it is displaying here. 2 is also no common here. 2 is only in A, so this is you know uh, printing here. But 3 is common, so this is not printing. It means the value that only contain in the A but not in the B. That is the difference between the, that is the difference, means A difference B means A minus B, that value only in the A. Likewise, if I find the B difference A, then obviously I will get one is the 4 and another one is a 5, right? So this is the things. And also I can do the difference update as well. So if I put A dot difference difference update B, then the our difference is 1 comma 2, right? And 1 comma 2 will update into the A variable. So if I print again this A, B and C and just run set, and then you can see okay, now 1 and 2 only will be the output as A variable, right? Before that I have 1, 2 and 3, 3 value, but now I got only 1 and 2. So it will update the value directly as well. So likewise, we have another variable like A dot, and then the difference we have seen. So likewise, let's see the intersection. So A intersection and then B. So if I want to see the result in C variable, right? And if I again run this code, then I am getting only set only in the C, because A intersection B means A has the 1 comma 2 and B has the 3, 4, 5. There isn't any common value, right? So let's make some common value. Let's change this A value, A variable into like again let's create A equal to, okay, let's make some common value 4, 5 and then 7. And if I again run this code, now I'll get some 4 and 5, because 4 and 5 is common in both variables, so I'm getting this value. And also I can do the intersection update as well. So if I remove C from here, because it doesn't return anything, so I'm not gonna print C. So A dot intersection and then intersection underscore update B. And if I again run this code, now let's see the value of A again, and I'm getting only 4 and 5, because it will also update intersection, right? And now let's check about this symmetry. A dot symmetric difference, before that symmetric difference, and then B. So it is just checking there is common value or not, right? I'm just printing here. Just put the variable as C equal to, and then just run. I'm getting 3. It means that A variable has 4, 5 and B variable has 3, 4, 5. And the symmetric difference means 3 is only the difference value, other are common value, right? And if I want to again update it, then it is possible. I'm just removing this C from here, and I'm just putting here underscore and then update. Now the value of A will be only 3. If I run this code, now you can see the value of A will be the only 3, right? And there isn't value for any value for C. Okay, this is the case. And also now let's see, and you can practice it by yourself also. Symmetry different, and also you can see there is subset. Subset means there is some portion of the values from the the another set. So if you have some values from the another value, another set, then this is the subset, right? So a subset of b, is it possible or not? If I run this code, okay, just put the variable c and just see the result. Now it will be easy. True. 3 is already in the b, right? So that's why this is true. But if I say each subset, likewise each superset is also there. Here superset means you must have all the values in a that are exist in the b. So but this is not possible, so it will gives me the false result. Okay, now let's see other example. I think there is a pop also, right? Pop function also. So just check out here. So b dot pop, and I cannot give any index here because if I give index here, there isn't any indexing concept in this set, so I cannot pop exact value. But if I put b dot pop and just see the value of b over here, and if I run this code, now I got 4 5. You may think about it that the first position's value is disappear from here, but actually this is not happened. Pop b dot pop or the pop function in this set, it can remove any value because there isn't any order, right? So that's why it can remove any value from there. So this is not possible. And if I want to, okay, b dot, and then I think we have remove as well. And if I want to remove particular value, then this is also possible. So I have removed 5 from here, and b dot, and I think we have discussed all the value. Is disjoint means there is a, you know, the common value or not. So if the common value is there, then that is not disjoint. So disjoint means there isn't any common value, right? B disjoint of a, so there isn't any common value, so this is true, right? So if I run here and again just put variable c and run here, then you will get the result is true because this is disjoint. A is 3, b is 4, and that value is disjoint. This is true. So I think we have discussed all the functions from the set. If any function is remaining, then I will discuss over here. Difference clear means it will remove all the value from here, and also it is the discard function. So discard function means also it removes the value from over here. So if I remove 4 from here and if I run this code, now I don't have any value in the set, but discard doesn't show any error. So if I put 6 and if I run again here, then also doesn't show any error. But if I put here the remove, then remove function will show the error because key error over there. And if I remove 0, 0 is not over there, so it will show the error, right? So key error will, it will handle the, it will handle the exceptional handling. So another one is there is a update functions as well. So okay, a dot update, and update a dot update, or I can say the b dot, I think b doesn't have any value, b dot update a. And if I run this code, now okay, b dot update, I'm doing here b dot update a, and there isn't any value, so I think just okay, remove from here, and just remove this portion here and just run the code. Okay, I am doing, okay, remove, okay, just remove and just run the code, and the value of b is 345 and the value of a is only 3. So b dot update b, value of b will be updated with the value of a, right? So likewise, if I have remaining any value, any update case, then we'll discuss here. Intersection union means it just display the common value from the both variables. So if I run this over here, b union a, it means and if I put the variable c equal to just value over here, and 345, right? It doesn't repeat the value, but it display all the value. So if I put c equal to this, and if I remove this from this, and if I run this code, there isn't any value because the update function or symmetric difference update or the intersection update, it doesn't return anything. It just update the value, right? So it doesn't, we don't get any value in this c variable. I think we have discussed about the all the functions, and hope you can practice it by yourself. And if you understand this video, just like the video and share it with your friends. And also, if you have any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much.